Why are there not more people talking about the Greek origins of the word whoremongers? It's time to change that. All right, theologians, buckle up. The word whoremongers in the Bible comes from the Greek word pornos. Pornos. Now, pornos isn't just about sexual immorality. It actually refers to a person who sells themselves, not just physically, but morally too. Interesting, huh? So when you see whoremongers in scripture, it's not just a reference to someone obsessed with physical lust, it's about a deeper moral compromise. The term captures the essence of someone trading their integrity for momentary gain. Ancient Greek culture had a way with words, didn't it? But here's a twist. Pornos is also the root for our modern word pornography. So, in a way, whoremongers carries both the weight of personal and societal moral decay. Makes you think twice about the depth of biblical language, doesn't it? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this little dive into ancient Greek, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more fascinating theological insights. See you next time.